Amazing benefits of honey for hair and skin. We use honey as a natural sweetener for our tea, pancakes, salads, and smoothies. Eating honey is beneficial for our health as it can boost energy, regulate blood pressure, beat insomnia, aid weight loss, and improve digestion, to name a few. Number 1. Fade scars. Scars of any size or form are ugly to look at. If the scar is on a visible body part, many people look for the ways to get rid of it as quickly as possible. While scars are hard to treat, you can use honey to lighten them and minimize their appearance. Honey increases healing and tissue regeneration and helps revive skin cells. All these factors work together to fade scars. Number 2. Treats psoriasis. Psoriasis is an autoimmune disease that affects the skin cells. It causes redness, blisters, itching, and even lesions. Although honey cannot treat this disease, it can soothe the skin, reduces inflammation, and protect damaged skin from becoming infected. Number 3. Heals minor cuts and wounds. Honey is also used to treat minor cuts and wounds because it's an effective germ killer. It helps draw fluid away from the affected area to speed up the healing time. It even prevents the growth of microorganisms and reduces the risk of infection. Number 4. Combats acne. Acne occurs due to excessive oil secretion and trapped dust mixed with oil in the skin pores that creates a thriving ground for bacteria. As honey is a natural antibiotic and anti-inflammatory agent, it can reduce acne symptoms and prevent infection. It also keeps your skin moisturized and glowing due to the excellent nutrients present in it. Number 5. Delays skin aging. Being a good source of antioxidants, honey protects your skin from cell damage due to free radicals. Free radicals accelerate the aging process and may contribute to wrinkles, fine lines, crow's feet, and even sagging skin. It also keeps the skin well hydrated, one of the secrets behind glowing and youthful skin.